Are you a beginner who wants to make money with ClickBank but doesn't know how to start? Don't worry, CBProAds is here to help. With CBProAds, you can make money with ClickBank even without a website. CBProAds is a program that provides tools and resources to help ClickBank affiliates make more sales. With CBProAds, you can find high-converting products to promote, create custom landing pages, and track your sales and earnings. For beginners, CBProAds is especially helpful because you don't need a website to get started. CBProAds provides you with pre-made landing pages that you can use to promote products. You can customize these landing pages with your own affiliate links and start promoting right away. To use CBProAds, all you need to do is sign up as an affiliate, choose products to promote, and start using their tools. You can also use CBProAds to track your campaigns and analyze your data to see what's working and what's not. If you're a beginner who wants to make money with ClickBank, CBProAds is a great place to start. With their tools and resources, you can start promoting products and making sales without a website. What are you waiting for? Sign up for CBProAds today.